Hi everyone, my name is Rajashekar. Welcome to my channel. People who are new to DMX and Unreal Engine and Chamsys, check the card on screen and watch the tutorials in order to understand the basics and workflow. This video is about Palace DMX template which I've created for you all. As soon as you download my template and Chamsys show file, keep a separate copy of it. The Chamsys show file, Palace, needs to be placed in Documents, Magic Queue, Show folder. As soon as you launch the map, it opens the Palace map by default. There is a folder called RTs in Content Browser which has two folders, namely Default Map and Palace. The default map is a DMX template project which opens up in Unreal Engine whenever you launch a new project. The Palace map has been added to it. I have turned off directional light on the scene as it wasn't helping much. So I have a workaround for it. Install and launch Chamsys. Load the Chamsys show file. In Chamsys, select the MIDI group which is the wash light group and click locate, and this lights up the entire scene. Now you can see the entire set. In Palace map, I have got rid of all the props before placing DMX lights. All assets are added in layers and they aren't getting rendered. The outliner has two folders, DMX lights and map stuffs. The DMX lights folder has all the DMX lights categorized and all lights are grouped in case if you wish to move around and create your own style. You can customize and change position of lights anytime, but make sure to maintain its position, which is left, right, top, rear, so that it will make sense when you are triggering lights from Chamsys. Let's move on to Chamsys. Two layouts, one for groups and position and other is the default 4-window layout. There is a default music fader which rolls over to all pages that's kept for timeline method. Don't record anything to it. You would find light groups and further subgroups of them and few recorded playbacks below. You can record your own custom groups, positions and playbacks as required. Let me quickly show you how it's grouped. That's about the Chamsys show file for the Palace map. You can practice, possibly program some lights using timeline method for a music and then record them to Unreal Engine using Take Recorder. Hope you found this video useful. The download link of this template is in description of this video. It's a paid template. Request access for it and I'll share you details on it. You can explore other DMX templates in my channel if you haven't seen them yet. See you all soon on another video. I'm Rajashekar signing out. Take care.